Okay, so if you've got a check engine light on your car dashboard that does not want to go away, I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of that check engine light without an OBD2 scanner. Of course, ideally, an OBD2 scanner would diagnose the problem, and fixing the underlying problem that's causing the check engine light is ideally the way to get rid of the check engine light. However, if in fact you are certain that you did the repairs and the check engine light should be gone because you fixed the underlying issue, but you still have the check engine light for whatever reason, because sometimes a car's EMC computer doesn't actually detect that the problem is fixed and takes sometimes a few drive cycles before it recognizes that the problem was actually fixed and the light is still showing up. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that light if in fact you've got an engine light that does not want to go away. It's simple. So all you need is a 10mm socket wrench. And with this 10mm socket wrench, all you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up the hood of your car, you're gonna go over to the battery, and you're gonna disconnect the negative connection to the battery. And this is important, not the positive, the negative. So you're gonna be disconnecting the negative connection to the battery and leave it unplugged for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when you start your car up again, that engine light will be gone. Now, here's the thing. If the underlying problem was really fixed and it's just the car's EMC computer not recognizing that it was fixed yet because it needs a few drive cycles, then the light will be gone. But if in fact the underlying problem was not fixed, when you go and start your car, the engine light may be gone. It's not gonna be there. And maybe you go for a cruise down to the supermarket and you come back and you still don't have a light. The next drive cycle, maybe when you get in the car the second time, you start the engine, the light might be there again. So of course, having an OBD2 scanner to diagnose the problem and fixing the underlying issue is a way to get rid of the engine light. But if you've got a pesky engine light that's just not wanting to go away because your car's computer hasn't recognized it yet, this is the way to get rid of that engine light. Just disconnect the negative connection to the battery. All right, I hope that helped you guys out, and yeah, catch you in the next video.